Hello everyone, good day to you. Today we will continue our topic is regarding the toolbar overview. So today just choose one of these photo and then continue our topics. So first of all, just choose one of the choose one of the photo and then I unlock this photo. So here today we will continue about this toolbar. Is called focus or bokeh. Bokeh because here there's mention about the crown version. So however, the shortcut is J. However, is a premium user will be entitled this function, but we also can go into touch about this. So for example, they have a mode. They have a four kind of mode. This number one, symmetric. Number two is a ratio. Number three is a linear and none. Here also have a blur. You can adjust the blur, the number. Maximum is 100, then 0. Can turn on this bokeh. Turn on the bokeh. They have a bokeh blur. You can turn on. Then you can select the circle, square, hexagon, and cross, so on. So just about the four types of these selection. Then also you can adjust about the size, intensity. You also can turn on about the bokeh shape. Bokeh shape, they have a few type. You also can change or adjust the color, size, quality, intensity, and tool color as well. You can turn on. So what is the meaning? So let's check it out one by one. So first we go to the this symmetric. So here the symmetric, you can see on here there one in the middle. You can adjust, you click and adjust the position you want. Number two, coming here, the second blue color, you can turn left or right. Okay, so now I just remain. Number three, you can adjust the internal size you want to focus. And this one as well, you can adjust the focus size. So here they have one later very outside. Number two is middle. Number three is the center focus. So if let's say I turn on this blur, they will like this. So the outside will be blur, but inside in this first column will a little bit blur, but in the center or the middle, the part is very clear. So this you can you also can turn on. For example, this one I click this option to move beside, can see more clearly. Turn on the bokeh. You can choose square, circle, square, and size you want. You can see the intensity if you turn on. Then how about the bokeh for about the shape? Okay, I just choose a circle, and then you can adjust the color as well. You can see the color is changing. You also can choose the size, quality, and so on. Turn on the tool tone. Or you can turn on this inverse. Then definitely the result will be look like this. Just now the blur area becoming clear, and then the clear area will becoming blur. So this is ratio. It's like this, linear and none. So if you're happy already, just click apply, or you want to reset, just press here. So this is entitled for the premium account user. So next tool is called disperse. So draw over an area in your image and watch it explode. So this one is look like very like the something item, or the picture is called disappear, like the effect. So the keyboard shortcut is Y. So for example, now I just click this one, and then just coming beside this building, and then just click the button. They will look like sorry about that. Okay, they will look like something like disappear. So this disperse, you also can, now it's an effect. So before that, okay, I click Control Z undo first. Okay, so like this. Okay, so when we click this disperse, they will come out mask. And then after you click, oh, you also can select the size. Okay, so now I just remain. After you click size, click the mask, then when you coming to the place you want to click, then he will come in effect. After effect, you can select circle or hexagon, square, triangle, and whatever the shape you like to use. So for example, now I use the cross, so here they becoming cross. So we zoom in a bit, can see cross. If I change to heart, they will becoming heart. So here the option, you can click and select the size. Okay, this one I adjust a little bit. This one adjust the size more bigger or smaller, scroll out, scroll down. Then here you can try to play around over here. Then you can turn on the screen and holo like this. Okay, so everything okay, just click apply. If not, you just click reset. So now we going to the okay, so this focus and bokeh and disperse is a crowd user will be entitled this function. So we going to this called burn or say Dutch. So this one is lighter or darker. Okay, so now we click this tooth. So now I can use another photo to clear mention what is the function or the tooth. So for example, I use this cake. Okay, so now the function is burned. Okay, here we click, there come out two kind of mode. Mode lighten and darken. Range have a shadow, midtone and highlight. Brush I touched before, you can adjust the brush, have circle and square and different kind of shape. And then you can adjust the size or adjust the softness and step. So stranger is 30, so you can adjust as you wish. So now we try to take a look about the light, and mode is light, then the range is called shadow. So shadow, then I adjust this brush, maybe 100 is more easy to take the effect. So now I'm just coming here, then give her some brush. This is called light. How about the lighten and range is middle. Middle, then this one is middle. The color is better than light, better than shadow. Then this time is lighten with highlight. Okay, highlight. Okay, so this one is called highlight. Okay, highlight. So now we go into the darken with shadow. Darken with shadow. Then I just use this one. You see this strawberry, and then this white color cream will be more darker and have a little bit shadow. So now we try to see darken and midtone. Darken and midtone, then we click and then play around this. They have a different color effect for you. So now I'm choose darken and highlight, and then this one you can see this strawberry will be more darker, but the cream I don't think so. It's more look like delicious. But however, just want to let you know about the mode and the range for you. Okay, so now we're going to see this one, spot and color. So the shortcut, keyboard shortcut is called R. So this one also will be, I think, will be easily to understand because it's very easy and friendly to use. Okay, so now I just choose one of these photo for my example. Then they have a two kind of mode. is increase, okay, definitely understand. Decrease, reduce. Then they have three kind of mentals is vibrate, saturation, and temperature. So now I adjust the brush is about 100, stranger also is 100. So these brush and stranger you can try to adjust by yourself, following or depend your picture you want to create or adjust it. So now increase, vibrate. So just click here. Okay, so sorry about that. And I'm going to unlock the photo first, then I try to make like this. Okay, nothing look like. Okay, so now we're going to see increase and saturation. They have a little bit blue color changing. Okay, I zoom in a bit, then we can see more clearly. Okay, increase and saturation. Once I do it, then the color will be changing. You can see the color changing already. Okay, changing already. Then we choose increase and temperature, so the color will be, yes, there will be change again. So the like a temperature more deeper or reduce. Sorry. Then this clothes also will be hair as well. Clothes and hair also as well. So how about the decrease? Decrease mean the color I will use vibrate, and then just like that, brush. We can see the color will be changing and different. Now this decrease with the saturation, so the color will be look like gray and black like this. Okay, decrease with temperature, then temperature will look like a warm and cool color to presenting to your this photo. Okay, so this is today the 4 type for the toolbar. Number 1 is focus and bokeh. Number 2 is disperse. Number 3 is burn or dunch. And number 4 is spot and the color. So this is today I'm sharing. I hope you enjoy this video. See you in the next video soon. Bye bye.